Hello everyone. I'm gonna continue my second advanced style tutorial. So previously we did simple column and foundation. Now I'm gonna complete this model with beam and additional column. Just copy this. Yeah, click, click, and the other side. So this framing this sorry. This framing is meant to follow the chemical plan as we modeled in the previous tutorial. So I think this is not required to make it more uh, this. Let, let us double check the grid. Hmm. Before we go much deeper in modeling, we need to double check our dimension first. And this is 6 meter. And another side, how many meter? 4 meter, okay. And let's complete this. Okay, 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter. Correct. And this grid is not really required. We need to enlarge the spacing. So we make it 2 only. Then we add a main beam. Just on this side, another side. So continue. Sorry, it can be continue. No need to repeat in one join. So check the position first and the dimension. So I prefer using this I-beam and position here like this. So we can match position and profile. For example, if I change this, if it is different on dimension, let's say it is 400, this. And this also we change the steel grade and coating to layers. Then we can match the properties. Wait a minute. This is has to be adjust. Okay. Match properties. Uh, change and change. Easy. It is the same as the um, um, the same as AutoCAD. See, this is now IBM 400, 150. So we can copy this, copy to another side. Hmm. And we add another transversal beam here between add this. Mhm. So we can we can change the profile. Let's say this is 300 and put still grade and putting layers position, ensure it is uh, top flange are the same as level with another beam. And then we can copy this. Okay. Okay. This is the last. Okay, it can be seen that portal size is if it is not really clear, we can select the view. Okay, this we can see this. Mhm. So we can put bracing here. This, this on X direction here, uh, because the uh, major axis we design it on Y direction. A portal direction it is on Y direction, and weak direction can be seen in this frame on X direction. So since X direction is assigned as a weak direction, we have to add additional bracing here. Okay. Uh, so before we go to the to assign the bracing, we need to ensure our uh, connection between concrete column and foundation or pedestal. So we can select the connection first here, base plate. Okay, you can select this. Now we already have the pedestal concrete. We don't need additional concrete. No. Okay, wait a couple seconds to generate the connection type. It's coming up now. So in this structure, we assign it as the pin connection. So it is indicating uh, anchorable position inside between flange, yeah, along the website. So if it is rigid connection, we have to shift this anchorable to outer side, yeah, outer side. But in this case, I'm gonna assign this anchorable to represent the pin connection. So all these properties has to be decided by engineering and by structural engineer. So let's say the final decision from the structural engineer after calculation, plate thickness it is 16, and base plate dimension, we can at the anchor bolt, anchor bolt, let's say this is 30, okay. This is only some typical connection element, kind of the anchor bolt, base plate, okay. In the meantime, we agree for all these parameter first. Okay, let's say this. Let's say this. So we need to add additional anchor bolt because this is only single anchor bolt for each side. Okay, we can add anchor bolt number by double clicking the connection anchor bolt. This number and this number anchor bolt parameter. This is a row. Offset. This is group. Group 2 website number 1. Oh, sorry. This is web anchor bolt on web's direction. So we have to go to flange, yeah? Like this. So the intermediate distance we can make it 150. So we make it a bit narrow because they should not so close to the flange or web. Intermediate. Okay. Mhm. You can enlarge the base plate dimension. So projection, we can make it a 50 mm for each side. Mhm. Yeah. It is enlarged to make it easier for the welder to put their welding along the flange and website. Okay, I think it is enough. And then we can copy paste this automatically. This type connection. So we click this and this. Uh, no. Just click and paste it to another side. If you want to copy to this, just click. Uh, Easy. So all the properties are duplicated to another side. So you can do the same method to another foundation. Okay, for another exercise, kind of the uh, steel and steel frame connection between column and beam, and also the bracing will be given by next tutorial. I think today is enough. Thank you. Bye.